You may think that Halloween is just for people, but if you go to the Oregon Zoo this weekend, you can see that the animals have just as much fun.
Last Friday, the elephants were able to squish the squash. The Pacific Giant Vegetable Growers Club donated some rather large pumpkins to the zoo for the local population of Asian elephants. Plus, additional smaller pumpkins were donated by Al's Garden and Home.
This weekend, the fun continues as visitors can watch the zoo's enrichment team provide animals with holiday-themed treats like jack-o'-lanterns stuffed with snacks. Meanwhile, a scavenger hunt directs trick-or-treaters to activity stations with info about animals, their habitats, and adaptations. Kids can collect treats and prizes as they visit each station.
So take the family and stop by the Oregon Zoo and watch the animals do a little trick-or-treating of their own.